Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
O son of Shurbi, you need lament no longer now. There is no need to fear this low-class shood. And, O mother cow, as long as I am living as the ruler and subduer of all envious men, there is no cause for you to cry. Everything will be good for you. Protection of bulls and cows and all other animals can be possible only when there is a state ruled by an executive head like Maharaj Parikṣit. Maharaj Parikṣit addresses the cow as mother, for he is a cultured, twice-born, Kshatriya king. Shurbi is the name of the cows which exist in the spiritual planets and are especially reared by Lord Sri Krishna himself. As men are made after the form and features of the Supreme Lord, so also the cows are made after the form and features of the Shurbi cows in the spiritual kingdom. In the material world, the human society gives all protection to the human being, but there is no law to protect the descendants of Shurbi, who can give all protection to men by supplying the miracle food, milk. But Maharaj Parikṣit and the Pandavas were fully conscious of the importance of the cow and bull, and they were prepared to punish the cow killer with all chastisement, including death. There has sometimes been agitation for the protection of the cow, but for want of pious executive heads and suitable laws, the cow and the bull are not given protection. The human society should recognize the importance of the cow and the bull, and thus give all protection to these important animals, following in the footsteps of Maharaj Parikṣit. For protecting the cows and Brahminical culture, the Lord, who is very kind to the cow and the Brahmins, will be pleased with us and will bestow upon us real peace.